Cobogós, brises, and ventilated skylights soften the sunlight entering the Oasis House, while the reflecting pool and cross-ventilation keep the spaces naturally cool. This combination ensures thermal efficiency without compromising the openness of the interiors or the seamless visual connection to the garden. Access is via a pathway leading to the main social entrance. Cobogós and brises act as guardians of intense light, allowing it to filter gently. Located in the interior of São Paulo, in a warm climate, the house sits within a green environment where natural light, vegetation, and breezes take center stage. The architectural lines respond to heat, sun, and greenery, making the surroundings an integral part of daily life. Materiality is expressed in every detail. Rammed earth on the west facade and access, wood on ceilings, glass expanding views, and exposed concrete providing a solid counterpoint. All materials contribute to an atmosphere that balances simplicity with sophistication. The social areas, with double-height ceilings, open toward the garden. Inside and outside blend seamlessly, glass, wood, and exposed concrete dialogue with the green of the landscape. Cross-ventilation allows air to circulate freely, maintaining comfort without heavy reliance on air conditioning. Circulation throughout the house is fluid, with smooth transitions between open and private spaces, always framed by greenery. Doors, panels, and brises guide movement and direct the gaze. On the mezzanine, a television room and office overlook the garden. From there, views extend to the landscape terrace, reinforcing the integration with sky, vegetation, and carefully controlled natural light. The green roof above the suites expands the vegetated coverage, acts as natural insulation, and reinforces the continuity between architecture and landscaping. Ventilated skylights punctuate the ceiling, revealing nuanced shifts of light and shadow as the sun moves. The bedrooms are located on the ground level, all directly connected to the garden. These private spaces offer serenity and tranquility, yet maintain uninterrupted visual connection to the surroundings. At the end of the journey, it becomes clear that the Oasis House is not just a shelter, but a living synthesis of form, function, and nature. It is architecture that becomes landscape, a contemporary refuge where environmental comfort, materiality, and integration with the surroundings are not extras, but the essence.